In this lesson, I will show you how you hack user accounts with a command prompt. So I will open the command prompt. So we'll go to the control panel and then to user accounts. And again, we'll make an account by the name of test. So use the command prompt and make an account by the name of test. So type net, then user, and slash add, then test. So press enter. You go back and come again. I see you have made an account by the name of test. So now we make this account an administrator user. So we go back and add this user to administrators group. So we type net, then local group, then administrators, then we type slash add, then test. You go back and come again, and now we give this, for example, here this account is a password protected. So we create a password for this account, give it any password. So as you see, this is a password protected user. It's also an administrator user. So if there are many user accounts on the PC, so if you want to hack and to hack it, to change its password, so simply you go to the command prompt, and here you have to be logged in as an administrator, and you have to open the command prompt in administrator mode. So to do so, we type net, then we type here user, then we want to change test user account password. We want to change its password, so we type test, then we give the asterisk sign, then you press enter. So here, as you see, here the test user is a password protected, and here you can change its password, and it won't ask as its current password. So you can give it a new password without asking as its current password. For example, here I will give it a new password, and that's it. You have hacked that account. You have changed that user account password. So this is how you hack user accounts to the command prompt. To defend against these attacks, you have to give other accounts. You have to make those accounts as standard user accounts. You don't have to make them as an administrators. So this is how you protect yourself, and this is how you hack user accounts to the command prompt.